Good morning, all. Welcome to the SBI Securities Daily Market Podcast with me, Sudeep Shah. Today, we would be discussing views on Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and along with that, key stocks and sectors that could be in focus for the day as well as for the next few sessions. Now, yesterday we saw Nifty and Bank Nifty ending the day on a flatter note, and it has consolidated the gains that it had witnessed in the last week. Uh, Yesterday, if you see sectorially, power as well as energy space outperformed for the day, while IT, consumer durables, and selective metal stocks acted as braggers for the previous session. A lot of momentum was visible in the power as well as energy space. Now coming to global equity markets, S&P 500 is consolidating closer to record high levels, and it is likely to continue its bullish momentum with 5040 level acting as a strong support, and upside potential is likely to be witnessed up to 5300 5350 levels in the days to come. Coming to India VIX has further cooled off below 15 levels for the second consecutive session, and in the last few months we have seen India VIX trading in this band between 14 and 17, and going forward we expect this trading band to continue. Now coming to Nifty levels, Nifty has formed a doji on the daily charts, and this indicates indecision amongst the market participants at higher levels. While the momentum is clearly supporting the large caps, we feel that the index is likely to continue this strong momentum and continue creating record highs in the coming few sessions till it sustains about 22,250 levels. However, in case 22,250 levels is broken, then profit booking up to 22,080, 22,000 levels could be witnessed. Coming to the open interest data, meaningful call writing was visible in 22,400 as well as 22,500 calls, while put writers were active in 22,400 and 22,200 strikes, which implies that the range for the coming few sessions could be 22,200, 22,180 on the downside and 22,600 on the upside. Now, coming to the bank nifty levels, clear evidence of momentum returning back to the banking index is visible as it has sustained above the upper band of the horizontal channel that it was trading into in the last few sessions. Going forward, the support zone is likely to be witnessed around 47,100, 47,200 levels. Until the time indices are sustaining above this level, the current momentum could take bank nifty closer to 47,900 levels. Below 47,100 zone, I feel that the banking index could retest 46,700, 46,750 levels on the downside. From the options data, if you see, significant call writing was visible in 47,500 as well as 47,700 strikes, while 47,300 puts have seen significant additions yesterday, which implies that the near term range for bank nifty could be 47,150 on the downside and 47,900 on the upside. Now coming to the stocks and sectors in momentum, two sectors which were clear winners yesterday: oil and gas as well as the power space. Now within the oil and gas space, Oil India, ONGC, Reliance, Petronet, MGL, they continued to witness strong traction as well as good buying momentum was visible there with a rise in open interest on the long side. And within the power space, NTPC, Power Grid, both the stocks really have seen good momentum. Also, stocks like say MGL, IGL, Gujarat Gas within the gas space, they also have witnessed good addition of open interest on the long side, and case in point like MGL, it has even broken out on the upside with volumes. From the broader market, selective bullish setups were observed in Reliance, ICICI Bank, Tata Communication, BHEL, HAL, Zydus Life, Lupin, Dixon, Cummins, LIC Housing, and from the cash segment, KEI, VGuard, JSL, KEC all witnessed good momentum on the upside. Now coming to the FII and the DII data, in the cash markets, FII sold closer to 564 crores, while DIIs were buyers to the tune of 3,543 crores. FII's long short ratio in index futures has seen a minor improvement from 35% to 38%, as yesterday they have bought closer to 11,300 index futures contracts. On the stock futures front, FIIs have sold closer to 9,200 contracts, while on the options front, FIIs have sold closer to 43,200 call option contracts, and they've even sold 1,74,000 put option contracts. So, going long in index futures to the tune of 11,300 contracts, and even selling 1,74,000 put option contracts clearly shows the mood of FIIs on the long side. So I guess the markets currently are buy on dips. So that's about it, friends. Thank you all for listening to our podcast daily and giving us so much love and supporting us to this extent. Do share these podcasts and all the other ideas that we are sharing on YouTube, on all the other social media handles with your friends and families, so that they also could take benefit of the same. Thank you all once again, friends.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.